Our next competitor is Alicia Jane Twigger from the Hartman Human Lactation Research Group in the School of Chemistry and Biochemistry. Alicia Jane's thesis title is Variation of Gene Expression in Breast Milk Cells Associated with Maternal and Infant Characteristics. And her 3-minute thesis title for you today is The Secret Ingredient. Please welcome Alicia Jane.
Breastfeeding. So beautiful, so peaceful, nice and natural. Put it away. These are all responses mothers will get when they breastfeed their babies in public. Whilst 96% of women initiate breastfeeding in Australia, only 15% make it to the World Health Organization recommendations of 6 months. That's a pity, because by breastfeeding, the mother is doing so much more than feed her child. By breastfeeding, she is transferring a super high-performance diet that contains a secret ingredient. Now, breast milk doesn't contain regular food, it also contains regular food ingredients, including the secret ingredient. These include proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Now, the secret ingredient that is in the milk is live human cells. These live human cells integrate into the infant's organs, including the brain, and can boost immunity and development. By studying these cells, not only are we learning more about infant development, we can also use these cells as a non-invasive tool to assess breast tissue function in the normal lactation. But what is normal? Well, as part of my research, I aim to investigate the normal composition of breast milk cells and how these fluctuate. To do this, I examined gene expression from a number of different breast milk samples from different mothers and babies. So far, we have found that some genes are consistently highly expressed across samples, despite coming from different mothers. This suggests that these genes may be regulated in lactation and might be the genes that are going wrong in cases of breast cancer. For the genes that do vary quite a lot, we're beginning to find associations between mother and infant demographics. An example of this is the low numbers of milk-producing cells in obese mothers. This might be related to their breastfeeding difficulties early on in lactation. So hopefully by now you can see that my research is not only looking at lactation, it can also assist us in understanding what might go wrong, can also be applied to breast cancer research for the future. So in future, I would like to continue analysing the molecular pathways of breast function so that we learn more about breast development. And hopefully, next time you see a breastfeeding mother, you're not going to shy away, you're going to celebrate the awesome powerful breast milk that contains these secret ingredients. Thank you very much.